Wow! Hi there! How you doing? The unveiling of my RC plane. Mojave Groom. Actually, just the packaging. Here's my new plane I bought last November. I bought it, I can't remember. It was in December or November of 2024. So this is my T-28 Trojan from Volantex. I haven't flown it yet. It's already 1st of July. I haven't flown this bird. Legendary Warbird. Excellent. These are the instructions, as you can tell. And here I have some equipment. The equipment are a couple of spare propellers, and in here I have the landing gears, and I'm only using one hand because the other hand is holding the GoPro. Anyways, I won't take it out. 2 batteries, just one cell. The other one is over here. I think it's 300 or 400 milliamps, and the wheels are here. The 2 landing gears, they attach, and this is a spare little hub for the propellers. Propellers, they're very hard to break, but in case they do, I have 2 spare ones right here. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna open the box now to show you the actual plane. It comes with its own transmitter. Bear with me, I'm holding my GoPro with one hand, and there's the plane. The transmitter is see, it already has a propeller there. It's very soft and very smooth, very flexible, so if it hits the ground it's not going to break. And the setup of the prop and the hub is made in such a way that if it strikes the ground, it disconnects from the motor shaft, so it doesn't break. Very clever system. I'm not going to take it out. Behind the box, or behind this piece of foam, is a transmitter. Transmitter is right over here. I haven't put on the batteries in it yet. It's a simple 2.4 gigahertz digital transmitter. It's just a cheapy thing. It's not a computer radio, obviously. Just to control and guide my microplanes. Good enough, I guess. 4 AA's go back here. So you got a rudder, left and right rudder, throttle, aileron, up and down elevator. And that's pretty much all you need. The trims. And this is some tricky button, some gimmicky aerobatic button that you press for it to do some rolls or flips or whatever. You have also on this switch, toggle switch here, you have beginner mode, then mid mode or mid-level, and then the final click at the end is expert mode. Okay, thanks for watching. Have yourself a fantastic day. I don't know when I'm going to Maiden this one. Maybe today, but it's too windy though. Anyways, thanks. Bye bye. Cheers.